heavy eyeliner girl. Even though I'm a Daisy girl, it feels illegal to say. Liner just makes my eyes look a little wonky, but I always have a...
So first, I will be playing with my hair today. I have a whole mess. I think I just have to use some Rolos or like, you know, just figure that out with my hair because it's kind of like giving it the undone look. But this is what I'm going to be doing. So I have here, this is the exfoliating facial scrub. This one's by Dermacell Labs. So let's see, I'm gonna wash my face first, which won't be here. Give me a sec. So here I have my wash face. I kind of just applied some water. No soap because I still have to buy. It's pending for me to purchase my lotion. I mean the soap for the face. So I'm just gonna, you know, just eat this. Let me see. With like a random t-shirt because I couldn't find a towel, guys. You gotta work with what you have. This is what I'm trying to do. Okay, so let's see. Now it's a little dry, as you can see. This is my face. I have to do my eyebrows a little bit, and I have to like trim my little mustache. But this is the Dermacell exfoliating scrub. So I'm just gonna add a little bit on my face. Now I have to wait 4 more minutes, and I'll remove it and apply for the makeup tutorial the Sensitive Skin Moisturizing Lotion. Let's see how that goes. Even in correct kind of small foundation. See, as you can see, it has a little bit of foundation. So what I'm gonna do is just apply evenly in my face, as you can see. Like, not overdo it though. I don't want to look too beige. I want to make sure it gives me the right amount of coloration and contrast. As you can see, I gotta put it in my forehead a little bit. Hopefully it won't be too much for my face. It says even incorrect, so hopefully that will do me justice. I'm playing by ear because I normally don't do this. I just put blush and eyeliner and just keep it moving. But today I was like, you know what? And sometimes I would do it. Sometimes I would do my makeup how it should be. It's just that I've been procrastinating a little bit recently. But now I'm so inspired. The Kiwi girl is inspiring me so much to continue my healing process and keep it moving in. And just, this is looking quite well. This is the even and correct. So sweet. And then I just apply a little more in my forehead. So just make it in a little bit in my neck area. Okay, for inner ear. And then the next step. Let's see. One of the other steps that I have to do. I'm gonna get this brush, not the one I use for my mat. Wait. Oh, damn, I have to play with my hair. This is actually the Natural Glow Bronzing and Highlighting Palette. Just apply the Natural Highlighting Palette, which this is what I normally use before the steps that I applied in today. So just hurry up and finish. I just go on. I be rushing. And I don't really play with my makeup too much, but then I'll learn more as I go. And YouTube has so much tips and ideas that you can do for your makeup and how to be very on top of things. But as you can see, this finishing powder here gives it a nice glow. Basically, just apply just a basic kind of makeup tutorial today, nothing too much. A little more mascara. And then I will be taking selfies with my phone because, you know, it's raining outside actually today. No plans for today. It's Tuesday. Unless somebody wants to come and take me out. Take me out. take me away. Dun, 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 dun. That's a little better. Oof, no. There's always something, guys. Then I do this a little more at the top. Like that. That's a little more there. Make sure I get all of my eyelashes. And the bottom too. I might just do eyeliner actually, because the eyeliner really makes it pop. So I'm gonna just. So this is the finishing touch of my makeup tutorial, guys. I have this little utensil here to add a little bit of orange, purple actually. See, that's a little cute. It's thundering outside, guys. Storm watch. And then right here. See, beautiful. And maybe like if I add like a finishing touch and like a little, and the lipstick, and then this will be the finishing touch. Maybe like in the size. That's sweet. No more. And then I have here my MAC. This is the MAC. It doesn't really say it, but it's beige. It's like a nude tone. So here we go. This is my final look. Random and not too shabby, but still giving it the nice touch. Here we see the finishing touch of my beautiful makeup that I just did randomly. Lord is thundering. Huge storm today in Jersey, huh? But this is, like I said, like not, wait, let me fix a little eye here. And look, it's just looking kind of wavy. I got here my jean shorts. So, bye guys. Go subscribe to my YouTube channel. Your girl Gia De Santos. I did my best that I could with my makeup today. And it is what it is. Not everyone go holla at me. Comment below and subscribe below. Your girl Patricia, Gia De Santos. Kisses.